All right, hello everybody. Welcome to the Create Your Own Prison assignment. So you'll see it's the PowerPoint. So it's pretty self-explanatory here, but I'll walk you through it. So here's the title slide. You put your name there, and then under rules, you'll include what types of rules you will have for your prisoners to follow. And then think about the types of programs that are offered to prisoners or those who are incarcerated. So how are prisoners supported with different programs, education, job training, mental health, etc. And then re-entering society. What are your goals for having prisoners re-enter society after their sentence? What do they have to do? Do they have to live in a certain area? Do they have to attend certain classes? Do they have to prove some type of certification or obligation when they're in prison? So things like that to think about how you would help your prisoners or those who are incarcerated enter back into society. If you have any questions, please let me know. Good luck. Have some fun. Bye bye.